Hey y'all! Today is a tutorial using the high quality Donna ready to wear solo extensions. You may have heard of a halo before, and it's basically the same thing as a solo. I'm going to start out by using my 1-inch curling iron on my model's natural hair. Usually I use a larger barrel, but the look I'm going for today is a super natural beachy boho look. The curls may look different right now, but don't worry, at the end we will throw in some texture and we will brush them out and you will fall in love with these luscious locks. The reason I love Donna ready to wear hair, whether it's their solo extensions or their clip-in extensions, is because they are such amazing quality. In the wedding industry, I deal with quite a few different brands of hair extensions, and this by far is my favorite. Their quality is outstanding, and their customer service is top-notch. If you notice, when I curl, I start towards the top, I twist it over, I slide it down, I twist it over some more, I slide the hair down some more until I reach the ends, and I leave the ends out about 1 inch out, and whenever I pull it out, I tug on those ends with the iron so that it creates more of that beachy look, which you will see once we brush our fingers through it. Now that it's time to curl the extensions, you can just curl them the exact same way. If you don't have someone to help you hold the hair, you can always use the hanger that came in your box, and you can hang it up on something and use that to hold the hair in place while you curl. Now that we're done curling, and we're going to brush our fingers through this part of the hair as well, we're going to get ready to put the extensions in. We're just going to section off a little hair kind of in a circle right on top of our hair. We're going to clip it right out of the way, and we're basically just going to place the extensions. There's no clipping or anything, just place it right there, undo the clip, let the hair fall right over your beautiful solo extensions, and you basically just blend it in with your fingers. So now it's time to go ahead and do this style. This is such a simple, easy style. I'm just taking a section in the front and I'm leaving out a lot of fringe around the face because that really makes these just pop even more, and it makes just such a soft, romantic look. All I'm doing is twisting the hair. I'm tugging it out just a little so that it's not too flat, and then I'm going to pin it right in the back. Nothing to it, guys. Anyone can do this style. Anyone. I'm just going to put one bobby pin in on that side. I'm going to pull up for some volume, and then I'm going to basically just copy and do the same thing on the other. Super simple, super beautiful. People will ask you where you got your hair done, and you will just say, I did it, and it's very easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure to follow Donna Hair and me at Himes Hair on Instagram, as well as all of our other social media platforms. Use code HimesHair for a special discount at donnabellahair.com. Thanks again!